today I'm gonna show you the pentatonic scale. We use this scale to play the blues, and it's very used also in a lot of great rock and roll solos and even quieter songs, pop music. So I'm gonna show you it on A minor, but of course afterwards you can transpose it to any other key, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. We have 5 positions for pentatonic scale on the guitar. The first one for A minor would start here. Okay, this form is very easy to learn. It's symmetric if you see the drawing, because we have to play on the 3rd fret, then on the 5th, and on this string is the same, and then on the 2 strings in the middle, so on D string and G string, 2nd fret, 5th fret, and then on these 2 strings, B string, on the B string, on the E string, once again 3rd and 5th, just as these 2 strings above. Then we have a symmetric drawing that is very easy to learn. The next position, we start with this finger on the 5th fret, and it's the same scale, but now we play on this. We're gonna play on this area of the fretboard. All right, and so we go 5th, 8th, and then 5th, 7th, 5th, 7th, 5th, 7th, 5th, 8th, 5th, 8th. This one is also pretty easy to learn, and it's good when then you practice the way back as well. So that would be starting here on the highest note for this position, which is this one right here on the 8th fret. So you got 8th, 5th, 8th, 5th, 7th, 5th, 7th, 5th, 7th, 5th, 8th, 5th. The next position, we start here on the 8th with this finger. We go 8th, 10th, and then we move this finger 1 fret backwards to the 7th fret, and we use this finger for the 10th. So we got that on the E string, we move 1 fret backwards, and we got that on the A string. On D string is the same, on G string 7th and 9th, and then we move forward 1 fret forward, so we go with this finger on the 8th fret and with this one on the 10th, and for this string is the same. So the whole scale once again: 8th, 10th, 7th, 10th, 7th, 10th, 7th, 9th, 8th, 10th, 8th, 10th, and make sure to do it backwards as well. Okay, then we come to the 4th position. So we will be starting with this finger on the 10th fret, and we go with this finger on the 12th. Then we got fret number 10, fret number 12, on this string the same, on this string the same, and here we move backwards 1 fret backwards with this finger to fret number 9, and with this finger on fret number 12, and now we move forward, and we're gonna go with this finger to fret number 10, and with this finger to fret number 11. For this string we have to play fret number 10 and fret number 12. So we get 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12, 9, 12, 10, 11, 10, 12. Now this one's a bit more complicated, but remember that when we play this kind of scales where we are fixed on one position, we will have the same frets for these two strings, because both strings are E. So these two strings will always be identical. Here we play 10 and 12. Here we will play also 10 and 12. The way I use the fingers, when I have, for the pentatonic scale, we will always have either 2 fret distance or 3 fret distance. Notice that when I have a 3 fret distance, I use this finger and then this finger. And when I have 2 fret distance, I use this finger and then this finger. Then we get 3 fret distance, 3 frets distance, 2 frets distance. Make sure you keep that always the same also when you go back. Alright. And we get to the last position. We have to start on fret number 12 with this finger. Now we go to fret number 15. On A string is the same. On D string it's fret number 12, fret number 14. On the G string is the same. And here we have to move 1 fret up to play on fret number 11 with this finger, and then we will play on fret number 15 with this finger, because we have a 2 fret distance here. And then we have to go back 1 fret to fret number 12 with this finger, and to fret number 15 with this finger, because here we have a 3 fret distance. So I will play the whole scale once again. The next step after you've learned all this would be to learn where is the tonic of the scale on each one of the figures. So now we're playing the scale that's for A minor. I'm going back to the first position to show you the tonic. On the first position we have the tonic right here, because this note is A. So if I play from the tonic up, here we have it again, 1 octave higher. This note is A, once again, 1 octave higher. And here we have it once again, 1 octave more higher. That means on the first position we have the tonic here. Here would be the fundamental of the scale, the lowest tonic that we have for A. Then we have it here, and then we have it here. On the next position we start with the tonic. We have it once again here, 1 octave higher, and here still 1 more octave higher. On the next position I start playing here. Now if you wanted to start from the tonic, you have to start from this one. This is the lowest A that we have on this position. And then we have it here, 1 octave higher. On the next position that's A. So this is the same A as this one here. So that means when we play on the A string on fret number 12, it's the same note as when we play on the D string on fret number 7, right? Same note on a different place. That happens a lot of times on the guitar. So, after, like I said, after you've learned all the positions, try to learn where do we have the fundamental, the tonic of the scale on each position. Okay, so I hope that now you can play the pentatonic, and after you've learned the drums, you can start trying some improvisations with it and have fun.